Introduce highlight features or overview summary for ARGB White Gaming PC Desktop Computer. Evounic ARGB White Gaming PC, Core i7-8700K and RTX 4060 High Performance Desktop. The Evounic ARGB White Gaming PC is designed for gamers and creators who want powerful performance wrapped in a clean, modern aesthetic. Built around the Intel Core i7-8700K processor, capable of boosting up to 4.7 GHz, this desktop delivers fast and reliable performance for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. Whether you're running demanding games or handling creative workloads, the system stays smooth and responsive. Graphics are powered by the NVIDIA RTX 4060 with 8 GB of dedicated memory, bringing advanced technologies such as ray tracing and DLSS to enhance visual realism and improve frame rates in today's most popular titles. This makes the PC an excellent choice for competitive gaming as well as immersive single-player experiences. Storage and memory are optimized for speed, featuring a 1 TB SSD and 16 GB of DDR4 RAM. This combination ensures quick boot times, fast game loading, and stable performance during heavy use. Cooling is handled by 9 ARGB fans, delivering strong airflow while creating a striking white-lit visual that elevates any gaming setup. The system comes fully equipped with Windows 11, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, and a reliable 650 watts power supply, making it ready to use straight out of the box. The Evounic ARGB White Gaming PC offers a balanced blend of power, style, and convenience for users who want more than just a standard desktop. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.